Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on this video if you find it entertaining or helpful. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, and everything in between delivered in a fun, fast-paced format, then watch as the subscribe button and the notification bell make an unforgettable entrance into the local fundraiser. Today is going to be a very fun episode as I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Southwest Priority Card from Chase. We're going to get an up-close look at it, see what comes in the envelope. I'm going to talk about why I decided to get the card and the benefits associated with it. Keep in mind, if you want to skip ahead, you can find the chapters down in the description below, so hopefully that helps you out as well. Let me break down first why I decided to get this card. When I signed up in December of 2021, there was a 100,000 point offer on the table. Now that offer is no longer available. The reason I really wanted to get this card was to get Companion Pass for 2022 and 2023. And I will put out a video later on detailing everything associated with Companion Pass and how to get it, but just the quick version of it, Companion Pass is one of the best deals in the travel industry. It allows you, as a Southwest Rapid Rewards member, to add a companion to fly with you for free while you have Companion Pass. It's like a BOGO when you're booking flights, which helps out a lot because flights do add up quite a bit.
I like it.
In order to get Companion Pass, you have to earn 125,000 Rapid Rewards within a given calendar year. So even though I got this card in December, I didn't even think about opening it up until 2022 because that's when I plan on starting to accrue my 100,000 plus Rapid Rewards points in order to get Companion Pass. The sign-up offer as it stood when I signed up was I get 50,000 Rapid Rewards points by spending $2,000 in the first 3 months. I'll earn an additional 50,000 points by spending a total of $12,000 within the first 12 months, which is something I should easily be able to do. But knowing that I get the Companion Pass after I hit the 125,000 mark in that calendar year, plus the calendar year after that, I want to make sure I get this done as early as possible, and this is something that you at home can do as well. Now, the 100,000 point offer is not out there anymore. However, by signing up for a business and a personal Southwest card, you can get to the 125,000 mark this year if you want to. Now, keep in mind with Chase, you do want to keep your application spread out at least 30 days, but looking at that, this is something that you could achieve in the first half of 2022 and have all the rest of 2022 with Companion Pass and all the rest of 2023 with Companion Pass as well, so it's definitely not too late. With the sign-up bonus and the spend, I get 100,000 plus 12,000 to get the bonus. That's 112,000. That leaves me 13,000 more points that I need to get in 2022. Now I can do that through a number of different ways. The first one being just normal spend on the card. If I use the multipliers that are associated with this card, and I'll talk about those a little bit more later in the video, then I can get the 13,000 additional points. I can also use the shopping portal through Southwest as well to take advantage of bonuses that are out there right now. One of the recent bonuses that was out is if you spent $99 on a Motley Fool application, then you got 54 or 5,600 points, I can't remember exactly, but you got an extra bonus of that amount. Think about that. If you spend $99, you get well over 5,000 Rapid Rewards. Now, my wife told me about it. I thought about it for 2 seconds and totally forgot to do it, and that offer is gone now.
Oh, I forget things almost instantly. It runs in my family. Well, I mean, at least I think it does.
But if you go to the website, you'll be able to see what bonuses are available. And trust me, there's some good ones out there. So there's a couple different ways to get to that threshold faster. And again, we'll talk about the multipliers later on. However, right now it is time to rip open that envelope and see what's inside as we unbox this thing. Now, I want to compare it to a couple of other cards as well to see how it matches up in terms of color and look and stuff like that. And hey, it's just fun to open things up, right? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, my mail delivery person should be coming any minute. I'm super psyched about... Did you hear that? Gosh, I always get nervous when I hear knocks on the door. I'm just gonna close my eyes and hope for the best and hope that my mail person is good to me and delivers a nice envelope. I don't know. What do you think? I'm scared. Okay, it was just an envelope. No need to be worried, all right? So with the Southwest Priority Card, you don't get any premium packaging. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that with cards like the American Express Gold or Platinum card, or some of the more premium cards, you'll get a better experience when opening a card up, but this is not the case here. I will give you the satisfaction of listening to the envelope, right? Feels like you're right here in the studio with me. And by studio, I mean my basement. All right, so let's see what we have inside here. First thing, in blue and white, color print. Wow, that's fancy, right? They're really stepping it up. Guide to Benefits for Visa Signature Card. Now this is very lengthy. This is like a book. It has a table of contents as well that lets you know exactly how long this thing is. But again, something if you're new to points and miles, you want to take a look at this and make sure you know it. As you open up more cards, you'll kind of know what to expect in here already. But again, if you're new to points and miles, make sure you take a look at that. All right, moving on. Welcome to Chase, your card member agreement. Wow, this is in color too. I wonder how much they spend on these color printouts because most of them are in black and white. So this is a little bit different, I guess, but still. All right, welcome on board. This is something you'll get exclusive with the Southwest cards. Welcome aboard Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card. So there we go. Again, printed in color. They went big budget with this. Finally, the card you deserve with the perks to match. Okay, well. That sounds good, and inside a bunch of black and white there. A lot of stuff. We're not going to read that right now. That's not why you're here. All right, this next paper at the top, it says, what does Chase do with your personal information? I don't really want to know, but I guess you can find out in that paper. All right, so we're going to keep going here. Got a lot of papers in this one. Card member agreement, rates and fees table. All right, 19.99 APR, annual membership fee $149, and foreign transactions none. That's good news, right? All right, now I'm going to get to the card. It says I have a $16,400 credit line. That's great, and I'm opening it up, and oh, very interesting. And when you're looking at the card, there's no card number on the front. It's a very deep blue color. You know, this kind of reminds me of the Chase Sapphire card, the old school one. And I may put this up on screen to take a look at it and compare. But it kind of has a very dark bluish with some hints of purple in it as well. And I don't know if that's going to come through, but I'm going to try to get some close-up shots of that. You've got the heart on one side because Southwest loves you, and they love the fact that you're spending money with them, of course. And then you've got the priority branding as well. Depending on what Southwest personal card you get, you'll see a different name right there. But this is the priority card. They have other personal cards as well that you can take a look at. And I'll put that link down in the description below. But overall, kind of a medium feeling card. I wouldn't say this card is flimsy like I would say an American Express green or business green card is. It definitely doesn't have the feel of an American Express gold or platinum card. It lies somewhere in between. I would say somewhere on the lower end quality of feel, in all honesty. If you look around the edge too, this is kind of neat. It's got a red outline as well, and that red really pops off the dark blue color. It's not as thin as I thought it would be, but it's definitely not thick by any means.
That's what she said.
Let me know down in the comments below, how do you think it compares with what it shows online? I'm always amazed by how different the cards can look when you get them in your hands versus being on the website. And also, how do you think it compares to some of these other cards that we're comparing it to as well? I'm curious to hear your comments. Let me know what you think about the looks of this thing. And now let's talk about some of the benefits. As I mentioned before, I wanted to get this card for Companion Pass, and part of that journey is going to be using the points multipliers in order to get to the 125,000 point threshold within a calendar year, preferably in the first 3, maybe 6 months of the year in order to take advantage of this. The other thing to consider is this card does have a $149 annual fee. A couple of the other personal cards from Southwest are at $99 annual fees and $69 in annual fees. So again, you'll want to look at all these cards and see which one fits best. But this one fit my needs. I figured I would go ahead and go for the $149 card. And let me explain some of the benefits here. They lay out the benefits pretty easily on the website. They can all be found literally in one view on their page. $75 Southwest annual travel credit each year, 4 upgraded boardings every year when you're available. A couple of other new items that are listed here: unlimited tier qualifying points, and then also 25% back on in-flight purchases. But you're all aware when you're purchasing things in-flight, it's more expensive anyway, so getting 25% back, you're probably still getting ripped off, but it's better than not getting 25% back. You do get 7,500 anniversary points every year, 3 points per dollar on Southwest purchases, 2 points per dollar on hotel and car rental partners, and then 2 points per dollar spent on local transit community, including rideshare. And to wrap it up, you get 2 points per dollar spent on internet, cable, phone services, and select streaming, and 1 point on everything else. Now, something to keep in mind, and I want to make sure you're aware of this, there are better points multipliers with other cards that are out there for things like cable, internet, even rideshare services. There are better multipliers out there with other cards. However, if your focus is getting Companion Pass and adding up the points as quickly as possible to get to the 125,000 mark, certainly use this in places that temporarily. Let me know what you think about this card. I mean, it's a $149 annual fee, so it's nothing to sneeze at by any means. It is some money. The $75 annual travel credit each year helps cut the annual fee on this card down in half right off the bat, plus the other benefits. I think this card is more than worth it, especially since it's going to get me to Companion Pass very quickly. And again, keep an eye out for the channel. We are going to put a video out on how to get Companion Pass and all of the details associated with that. So if you have questions about it, put them down in the comments below, and I'll try to include those in that particular video, because a lot of people have questions about this. And right now is a really good time to think about it, because you want to start earning these points right now in this calendar year if you're planning on getting Companion Pass in 2022. Do not wait till the second half of the year to do this. If that's the case, just put it off until the next year, but don't earn your points until the beginning of the next year. I didn't even want to be tempted into opening this card and earning any points in 2021, so I waited till 2022 to open it. I want to make sure I earn it all within a calendar year. We've heard countless stories of people that have made the mistake of earning a lot of points at the end of a given year and not realizing what they've done, okay? Make sure that you're earning all your points within a calendar year, and try to earn Companion Pass at least in the first half of the year. If you're not going to do that, just wait until the next year and start off right at the beginning of the year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I always enjoy putting these out and making these, especially the unboxing videos. Those are always a lot of fun. I love getting up close and personal with these cards and seeing what they look like. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, click, click. It's going to be time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, finance, money, Companion Pass, and everything in between, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. See you soon.